warning. What the heck is wrong in San Francisco? Dude, 2 tornado warnings in a row. What the heck? Bro, another tornado warning. That's crazy right now. Dude, what the heck? That's crazy right now. Oh my god. Bro. It's in the other tornado warning. It's combined together. Like literally, it's combined together. Bro, what the hell is wrong in San Francisco? That's crazy. Dude, what the heck? Wait, hold up. Dude, what the heck? That's crazy right now. Oh my gosh. I got the captions on. What the heck? That's crazy. What the heck? Bro, what the heck? Dude, that's crazy now. Oh my god.